Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add your own music on TikTok application. So first thing you have to do is just go open the TikTok application and make sure we are signed in and logged in with our account. And whenever we already logged in with our account, now we just need to take a look on this button features. There will be like 5 sections there. So just go click this plus button in the middle one to create a new project or a new content. You can choose either you want to have a photo or the video, but if you want to add your music right away before you taking the photo or video, you just need to go take a look on this top side here in the middle. There will be an add sound, so you just need to go click it, and you will be generated into the sounds collections that provided by the TikTok application. There will be like for you, which is the recommendation songs that recommended by TikTok for you, the favorites, the songs that you saved, and then there's also more, which is the sections that you can explore about the songs that you're looking for. Or if you want to add your, you just need to go click this your sounds. And here there will be 2 options. You can just go click this import sounds from the video if you want to extract the audio from the video on your photo library, or you can also use the music right away by import local sounds if you already have the local sounds on your phone. So here I would like to show you the way with the video audio. So you just need to go click this part and you just need to choose the video that you've prepared. Go click import from the video. And now your music from the video is already imported. If you want to use it, you just need to go click it and go click this checklist button, and you're ready to taking a photo or video. So that is the way how to add your own music on the TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.